In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a parking ticket online in Washington, D.C. If you've received a Washington, D.C. parking ticket or photo enforcement ticket, the easiest way to take care of it is through the D.C. Department of Motor Vehicles online payment service. Before you begin, make sure you have either your ticket number available or the vehicle's state and license plate number. Having that information ready will make the process much faster and smoother. Start by going to the DC Department of Motor Vehicles ticket payment page. This is the official online service for paying DC parking and photo enforcement tickets, so it's the best place to handle your payments securely. Once you're on the payment page, enter either your ticket number or the vehicle's state and license plate number in the required fields. Be careful when typing this information in, because even a small mistake can prevent the system from locating the ticket. After entering the information, click Submit. This will pull up the ticket details and guide you to the secure payment portal. Take a moment to review the ticket information on the screen to make sure you're paying the correct citation before moving forward. Next, enter your payment information. The system accepts major credit and debit cards, including MasterCard, Visa, Discover, and American Express. As you complete this section, double-check the card details and billing information to avoid delays or payment errors. Then, complete the transaction by following the final on-screen prompts. Once the payment is processed successfully, you should see a confirmation page. It's a good idea to either print this page or save a copy for your records. That confirmation can be helpful if you ever need proof that the ticket was paid. There are a few important details to keep in mind during this process. First, online debit and credit card payments include a 2.5% convenience fee, so your total may be slightly higher than the original fine amount. Also, electronic check or ACH payment may not be available, so credit or debit card is typically the main online payment option. One very important warning: if you plan to contest or dispute the ticket, do not pay it first. Paying the ticket means you give up the right to challenge it afterward. If you want to request a hearing instead, you'll need to use the DC DMV online services portal rather than the payment page. Finally, don't wait too long. Parking ticket fines in Washington, D.C. can double if they are not paid within 30 calendar days of the issue date. So if you know you're going to pay, it's best to do it as soon as possible. And that's how to pay a parking ticket online in Washington, D.C.